Brian, pag-usapan natin. Nakita namin malayo ka.
We were given designated seats, and it was my seat. So,
Bakit hindi ka lumaki? Bakit hindi ka nagtapo ng bulaklak?
nakita mo ba kung gaano kadaming guard set doon? Yun.
Pinagbawalan ka rin dumating? When you were sitting where you were sitting during the burial rites, ano yung naglalaro sa iyong isipan?
I didn't know if I wanted to go and run. Just to see him. Yeah.
Talaga?
Gusto ko gawin yun. Pero, I wanted everything to be solemn. I wanted everything to be peaceful and quiet. And parang ang feeling ko, I had him naman for 4 years, diba? So, katawan na lang napili ko yun. Basta mahatid ko lang. Yun yun, because I talk to him rin naman every single day, anytime I want to. Pwede ko naman siya kausapin. So, basta andun lang ako, okay na yun.
Hindi naman siguro bawal dumalaw sa puntod niya. Are you planning? Have you gone there?
Oh, I want to. I
Ngayon?
want to. Soon, maybe.
Isa sa mga intriga na hindi rin mamatay-matay, Claudine, is that at a certain point in your relationship, nagpa-abort ka raw. Nagpanaglag ka raw. Ano ba ang kwento dito? Ano ba ang totoo dito?
Hindi ako mamamatay tao, boy. I will never do that. And I don't need to do that.
Sa lahat ng perception at mga tanong na lumabas, o sabihin na natin mga misconceptions, ano ang pinaka-nasaktan ka, Claudine?
You know what? Ang daming lumalabas. But, siguro, kahit na gano'n katinding lumalabas, I could say na, of course, I'm affected, but not siguro as affected ng sobra-sobra. Kasi kung normal na araw lang na lumalabas ng ganyan sa dyaryo, abortion, yung kung ano-ano, kakayanin ko yun. Ang masakit lang, yung kailangan ilabas lahat to. Habang nangyayari lahat to sa akin, yung nawala si Rico, yun ang masakit doon.
Kas lang bagyong itong dumaan sa buhay mo. Kanino ka nakasangkal?
That's all. Siya din naman talaga ang pwede sabalan eh. Kasi sabi ko nga, it does matter na lang. Minsan kung ano yung lumalabas, kung ano sinasabi. Basta as long as God knows my heart, Rico knows my heart, my friends and my family know me. That's important.
Okay. Talking about mom and dad, nasaan sila during this point in your life?
Andyan lang. Sa tabi.
I got a copy of this text na ipinadala mo sa mami mo, and I'd like you to explain why the message is this. Mom, I just had a heart-to-heart talk with Gretchen and Tony, and I realized that I might have shut you and Dad out of trouble. Not because I don't need you, but because I love you and Dad very much. I know it hurts you to see me in pain, but please remember that I love you both so much. I'm sorry if you feel that I don't need you and Dad, but I do. And I'm fine. I'll tell you everything. You and Dad are my heart, and I can't live without my heart. Please tell Dad that also I'm blessed to have a wonderful family. I love you both. Parang may sinasabi ka.
Kasi boy, pag ako may problema, walang may alam.
Tinatago mo talaga mag-isa? Okay.
As much as kaya ko, tatago ko talaga siya. When this happened, after my dad told me na Rico passed away, I saw how painful it was. And siguro in times like these, parang ayaw mo na nakikita nag-worry sila. Kasi masakit yung nakikita ng parents mo na sasaktan ka. Masakit sa kanila yun eh. And they're old. They're both 66 years old. So, parang ang feeling ko, I lost Rico already. Ayoko namang may mawala sa buhay ko sa sama ng loob. Dahil nakikita na umiyak ako or nahihirapan ako. So, as much as possible, I'd like them to think na kaya ko. I'm strong. At saka ito naman si Marjorie and si Gretchen.
I know. Marjorie and Gretchen. Sabi mo nga, nandiyan naman ang mga kapatid mo kung saan ka rin humuhugot ng lakas. Na-trouble din kung ano-ano naman pinagsasabi ng mga ibang tao tungkol kay Gretch, tungkol kay Marge.
Sana lang naintindihan ng tao na gano'n na mag-akapatid eh. Saktan mo isa, halaman mo lahat. Huwag na naman silang batuhin for being sisters. For being a family. Kasi ganito kami. Ganito yung pamilya namin. Ganito kami ka-intact, ka-close.
Ang pamilya ni Claudine bilang kanyang sandalan. Ang pamilya nga bang di rin miminsang nagsilbing pamilya na rin ni Rico yan? Si Rico sa mata at puso ng mga taong nagmamahal kay Claudine. Sa pagbabalik ng Gabal, exclusive.
Igan, ang Yan family is now willing to sit down and talk things out with Claudine. Pero base po sa ating napapanood ngayon, palagay ko we have to give Claudine some space and time dahil hindi pa siya handa emotionally. Pero para po sa akin bilang kaibigan, in God's time, I think and I hope and I pray na ang Yan family at si Claudine will find it in their hearts to talk things out para sila'y mag-usap, magkaunawaan. After all po, ang nasa gitna ng kanilang mga buhay ay isang tao na mahal nila, si Rico Yan. Mga kaibigan, dyan lamang po kayo. Magbabalik po ang Buzz.
Sa pagbabalik ng The Buzz, ang video ni Rico na hawak ni Claudine, ilalantad na